Hey, what's up? It is your girl Sierra here, the Work From Home Diva, and I am back with another work from home job. Now, before we get into this video, I do have a bonus job that I will be sharing with you right now, and then I will share the actual job that this video is about here in just a moment. So you want to make sure that you do watch until the end. So in this video, you get two different remote jobs. Remember, these jobs do go pretty quickly, so when I do post them, you just want to make sure you get the information for the job, and if it's for you and it's hiring in your state, then you definitely want to go ahead and apply for these jobs. Now, I've been uploading almost every day. I apologize if it's one of those things where you get notifications and you're like, oh my goodness, but I want to make sure you guys have the information before anybody else does. So this is the reason why I'm uploading as frequently as I am. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this bonus job that I have on my screen here. Now, as you can see, this is with Comcast. And as you all know, Comcast is a media and technology company. A lot of you probably use Comcast. It's not available in my area, so I don't have Comcast, but it is great that they're able to hire virtually. So let's go ahead and talk about this one. First thing you want to do is look at the top here and see if your state is available for this job. Now, mind you, I do have a second job that I'm going to show you too. So if your state is not here, don't worry, it might be there for the second job. So this one is for a virtual call center representative for inbound sales. It is a full-time sales position. And I will go over the job description. It is a lot of information, so I'm not going to go through every bullet point, but I will go ahead and just kind of break down a few of the key points so that you know what you're applying for. So because this is a sales job, they do have sales targets that they want you to meet while you're interacting with their new and their existing customers via the telephone. So this is a telephone job. So you will be selling company products and services to the customers that will be calling in. So they want to make sure that you are asking probing questions, you are clarifying if they have a question, you're overcoming any type of objections, and providing solutions that fit with the customer needs. Now, remember, there is going to be training. So if you're really not good at sales, don't let that deter you from applying to this job, because there will be a training that you'll go through before you even start working. You'll also be educating the customers on company products, services, and experience. They'll give you different job aids that you can use to help you when you're taking these phone calls. You will need to establish rapport with the customer, provide relationships by providing a unique positive experience. And then you'll be maintaining an expected performance level in a dynamic and highly competitive environment. So I'm going to go ahead and jump down here because this is really important. So you will be using multiple screens. You'll be able to navigate through these screens and provide them with whatever information you need to capture the sale, like providing them with the offer that you see on your screen. You'll be a team player, and sometimes it does look like you will have some type of team meeting that you'll have to be in attendance for. They definitely want you to be available for nights and weekends. So you just want to make sure that that is the availability that you have, because they will need people for those hours, and sometimes you will have to work overtime, so keep that in mind as well. All right, so you might be wondering, what is the pay for this job and what is the qualification? So you do have to have a high school diploma in or GED and 0 to 2 years. So actually this is a no experience entry level type of job, and that's another reason why I wanted to show this one first, because I know some of you may not have certain qualifications, but you do want to work from home. Now, the base pay is $14.50 per hour, but because you're going to get commission, the targeted commission is $23.15, which I think is great. And a lot of times when these jobs have commission, a lot of times you can hit that target. They try to make it kind of easy. It is sales, so it'd probably be a lot easier for you to hit that target because you're already selling something to the customer. All right, so that is it for the first job. Let's go ahead and get into the second job. This one is paying $20 to $30 per hour. So of course, this is with the exact same company, Comcast. It's an interview experience consultant, talent operations, and it's 100% remote job. And this is in the HR department. Now for this one, you are only able to work in these states up here. Okay, I know a lot of times they leave California out. California is definitely here. So if you have the experience and you want to apply for this position, it will definitely be something that you can apply for. So for this one, we're just going to go over the brief overview for this one. You'll be providing guidance on methods, policies, procedures, and serves as subject matter expert on more complicated recruiting topics. So more of a recruiter. Must be organized, detail-oriented, flexible, adapt to change well, and work with urgency. Participates in or may lead special projects, and you'll be assisting in the scheduling and preparation of candidate interviews and testing by sending them confirmations or itineraries, coordinating travel arrangements if necessary. You will, of course, be reporting to a direct supervisor. You'll be managing projects in the talent acquisition arena, ranging from employment branding to innovative sourcing techniques to candidate experience feedback surveys. That actually is a really exciting type of position if you are in HR. It seems like it's not something that would be too stressful. It'd be kind of fun because you're reaching out to the candidates and you're able to work with them directly. So regular, consistent, and punctual attendance, must be able to work nights and weekends, variable schedule, and overtime may be necessary. So the same type of thing when it comes to the schedule as the very first position. Okay, so let's talk about the pay. You do need a high school diploma or GED. You do not have to have a degree for this position, but you do need at least 5 to 7 years of experience. And of course, as we said before, $20.30 to $30.45 is the pay range. And I'm pretty sure it has a lot to do with your actual experience between that 5 to 7 years. So those are the two jobs that are for Comcast. I will be sure to go ahead and leave the link to these jobs down in the description box below. So you want to make sure that you check that out. And right now, I'm going to go ahead and insert another link if you are looking for a different type of job. Amazon is still hiring as well. So you can go ahead and check that out by clicking on the link above. That is really it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in to the video of the day, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the day.